Zachariah. Laugh for me, baby. Hi. Hey, bud. What do you got a lot to say? Yeah? You think so? Yeah. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Yeah? And then what'd she do? No way. She made you change clothes? Yeah? And then what happened? No way. Yeah? Oh, really? Oh, really? And then what? Then what happened?
Are you talking smack about your mama? Are you talking smack about your mama? Yeah. Hi, handsome. Hi. You have the most brilliant blue eyes I've ever seen. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What else are you talking about?
Oh, he told me everything you did today.
Tell her how fun your bath was this morning. Yeah. How you got to see Taipei 101. That's your first trip.
Oh, yeah. You were the little tourist today, weren't you, son? Say, Mom, don't clean my ears on camera. That's not cool.
I'm a mom. I'm allowed. Wait till I spit on your feet. Go. Did I do that? Did I do that? Did I do that to you? You tell me. What if I kiss you in public? Oh my goodness, I gotcha. In front of everybody. In front of everybody. Yep.
Hey, handsome.
You got something to say? Yeah. Yeah. So what's going on? Yeah. Are you speaking Chinese right now?
How?
你会说中文吗？你会说？ You are absolutely handsome. This is my chunky hooky. I'm going to tell you a secret. Don't tell Mom.
Hey.
How about that? Cool, huh? Cool.
Tell me, son. Tell me later.
Can't Mom swimming to see.
I'll get you a Harley when you're 16 if you tell me.
No, she will not. You don't want a Harley. No, you want a dirt bike. No, you don't want one of those.
Yeah, okay. Dirt bike it is.
Not one of those either. Whoa, you tell her. I could get hurt, Mom. Tell her.
He's like, no, he's saying 16, 10. When I'm 10. Okay, son. When you're old enough to stand up, when you're old enough to straddle the bike, We'll go shopping. Okay, we'll go shopping.
No. Something in your eye. Can I get it?
Mom, quit.
Eyeball. Yeah, see, now you feel better, huh?
Rock stores don't have their mom clean their eyes. Right, son? Let me get a close-up of your beautiful, precious face. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Say hi.
You got perfect lips, you know that?